so.
Oh yeah! You're rolling with Warpink Gamer on.
All good. I'm gonna stay on the Sunders here.
NC. And I'm rolling with
If you volunteers,
Hammer.
pop into the galaxy.
Hammer that's on. NC
See,
that
can we get one more galaxy? There's squad leader that wants to head in with us.
They used to be. Oh, Mayday, Mayday, going down.
Oh, I'm Alpha Squad Lead. I didn't realize.
Oh.
Oh.
Alright. Hey guys, we're gonna play the game I like to call
Grab
Engineer.
my own or hop into yours.
We're gonna play Mana Leapfrog. Engineers, deploy your
Looks
turrets.
like we only have enough to fit this one.
My turret's
Let's
a
hop
defensive
into this
turret.
Back to Jackhammer.
Hey, shots. Oh.
Come on, let's deploy some turrets. Let's deploy some turrets. Let's also stop me from dying. Quixie, I love you, man. Run back. Maxie, let's get up there, Maxie. Let's go. You are going to die, but you will die slowly. Maxie, you're not putting.
This is where I want to be.
Oh shit.
Watch and learn, guys. This is how you do it. Oh, nope, that's not how you do it. That's how you get sniped, apparently.
Sorry, back.
I need an engineer.
Hey guys, we're getting cooped up. Just rush, rush, rush.
Just try to get to the first wall inside here.
Let's get a max rush going.
Thanks,
Flarko,
buddy.
I love you, but okay, Flarko, don't remind me anymore. I'm not gonna accept it.
Mr. Spencer here.
Fish, have you put on
Oh,
beacon?
in the back.
Yes.
Okay. I just didn't see it. So I was just gonna judge you.
Oh, I didn't get the right guns. Damn it! Uh-oh. Bullshit.
Holy shit, that was a mess.
That's
Alright,
right.
we lost
I'm
too many
gonna
of
try
our
to
Sunders
run
between
next
them.
here.
Got Max going down on their
Think I still.
Sunders and
Do I
shit.
have?
Morning, I can't get a max anymore. Let's play some
Nope.
turrets, boys. Where's my turret? Why am a light assault? Let's take
I
advantage.
didn't even notice that we lost the battle lab. God damn it.
Worth it!
Oh.
Alright, shit.
Jackhammer's
Well, I
not
guess we'll
that
lose
great,
water,
man.
so be
not
able to
that
up the population there. I need to go to Ymir's southern reach. They also have a hive sitting over there.
Go up here.
I have a great idea. Let's drop our entire platoon
Oh!
onto their overshields at the hive.
Joe!
Watch the bodies burn.
Oh yeah!
Run.
We'll drown them in bodies.
Good spawn beacon.
Alright,
Good spawn
we're
beacon.
going over to Ymir's southern reach.
Oh!
Because of your spawn beacon, I was able to get in.
Oh, we lost our front Sunday here. So running in the
Am
open.
I seeing a severe lack of turrets? Come on, guys. You call yourself
Push out and let's
engineers?
get that A point back.
Who the hell is that guy?
I almost alt tabbed. Alright, yeah, I did alt tab and I almost crashed my galaxy. I was in the middle of doing a barrel roll and I hit the Windows button.
Intelligence.
See, look at that engineer.
So, hey,
He's so smart.
Does Arch Craig still run this?
Yes.
Medic, please revive me. I am super important.
Is he on today?
Medic,
I
No.
just kill someone with my med gun.
medic, there are 2 medics.
I mean, he was online, but not playing Planetside 2.
Revive me. Or Terran.
Sunder driving off from Alpha. Oh, shit.
Even northeast. Come on, medics. I am. Come on.
He's actually busy playing Total War right now.
Oh, I see.
I don't think I can be revived anymore.
I can't blame him.
Alright,
Oh.
guys.
Yeah, next time you have a chance when Arch Craig's on, tell him Chuck Baller was playing with you guys.
Got it.
Chuck Baller.
Yeah,
Ooh.
Chuck Baller.
Fish, did you die?
No, I'm still up.
Oh, I just abandoned you. Okay.
Oh, Chuck Paul, you're still gonna play with us, right?
Oh yeah, I'm playing. I'm actually filming for my YouTube right now. It's the first time on NC actually playing.
Oh no, now people on the interwebs are gonna judge my platoon skills and be like, oh, that's stupid.
I think.
No,
there'd be
you're
more
doing
maids
pretty good
than
so far.
Running a platoon.
It's my first time. I'm so nervous.
It's under Warpaint Gamer YouTube.
Let's get gentle. Wargamer?
Warpaint Gamer.
You're the guy that wears the face paint, right?
Yeah, Warpaint. I'm
What's
that
your
guy.
YouTube name? I'll
Holy
subscribe
shit,
to
I just
that.
saw it.
Warpaint Gamer YouTube. I'm the guy that puts the Warpaint on and plays.
Canadian one?
Yep, that's me. And
Oh, okay.
Archcrake, when he finds out I'm on here, when Archcrake finds out I'm on here, he's gonna be he'll laugh. He'll go, "What? And I missed it?" Because I swore I'd never be on NC.
That.
I'll be on more when he's on. I'll try to find out when he's on, and then I'll come back on. But I'll be on here for an hour or so playing with you guys.
Honor, thank you.
We expect.
Now, I order you to all go in front of the firing line, just throw your bodies at them. It's sound advice, right?
Well, Archcraig knows you're on now.
Yeah, tell him I'm
sure,
on
right.
for about an hour or so or more. What the hell? The fuck?
I got those mines. Do not shoot them. I'll kill you. I said, do not shoot them, you little shit.
What, are you collecting them?
Yeah.
Alright guys,
I'm
you know,
just
let's
farming
I'm
them.
gonna push back these armors and maxes. Holy crap, the hills are alive with the sound of music. Hey guys, pull some lightnings. Let's push some of these armor back.
Straight north on the hill.
Or pull a harasser and run over everything. That's
If you want to run over people, pull an ant. It's perfect for that. There's thunder nearby.
Yeah, straight northeast, Sunday up in the hill.
oh yeah, they are spilling out.
Enemy Sunday, northeast, straight up in the hill.
Sure, the point is showing Sunday location. Beware of supporting aircraft or no form of it. Right now.
Oh shit, come on, I need to get... Oh yeah, I only have... It sucks not having everything I'm used to. Oh, look at all this court. Right on, buddy, son of a bitch! Guess what? First scout. Oh! Uh-oh. Where'd I go? Hey, don't, I got something for you. Where are you, you son of a bitch?
That's Sunday. That's
Oh yeah, got who? Hey, don't, buddy, son of a bitch.
Oh, I'm a fuck ton of accordion right here.
Oh.
About your
crap.
battle lance, yeah. Boy.
This thing up close is fucking deadly. Oh! Eat that, you stomach!
God, everybody's trying to run over to the people
It's not
on
a
that Sunday.
grenade,
See cars and tanks flying around there.
Come on! Get that son of a bitch! Come on! I'm NC, I'm untouchable now, because I got my stuff is all OP! Oh yeah, oh nice! Oh, that was cool. Who's that? I can't see the name. V. That was nice footage there, man. Okay. Anybody over here? No. Okay, gonna bushwhack somebody. Come on, let's do it to it. Displace!
You're at that.
Oh!
Sure.
Son of a bit.
Sorry, my audio glitched out. Can you guys hear me now?
Yeah.
Alright. Beautiful.
Holy shit.
Yeah, I'm gonna grab some coffee and laugh the knife in. Yeah. You guys keep doing this thing.
Come on. Come on, man, I've got a good run. Oh yeah! Ah! I don't even need intro music. He provides it for
If you
me.
need more context, I could sing along.
Oh shit, there's a lot of VS coming here.
Nah.
Alright. Alpha point is showing, spotting a, enemy sunderer at Alpha waypoint.
Oh shit. Come on. Come on, let's make it over here.
Get out there and do something.
Oh shit, sir. Oh, sorry, buddy.
Get around.
Holy shit. 500 for mine carrier. Jeez.
Taking A point, boys! Let's stop them! Let's make NC great again. Huh. Good one, right? Such a joke.
You're so not funny.
I don't know if you're being sarcastic.
No,
or you
just
can
being-
detect my sarcastic, but I can't detect your sarcasm right now. So I don't know who's at fault.
Got this. Don't let up.
Well, what I've learned so far about the NC side, it's fun in any side.
Enemy Sunderer down.
Maybe I should have played in all
one over at Alpha?
factions. 14! 14. Oh! Ah!
Maybe some. Oh shit, are they camping?
Well, thanks for watching,
we got
guys. I'm
bag
going to
riders
start a new
staring
one.
at our vehicle spawn. If you guys pull an armor from the southern base from here, that'd be great.
Gonna start a new
Come
one.
out again.
Gonna start a new one right here. Thanks for watching, guys. Chuck Baller on
job,
NC.
nice job.
Thank you!
It's not bad. It's not bad.
You NC scum!